Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChimp. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Postman to build and test REST APIs on your computer. So let's start. Guys, if you don't have Postman, then open Google Chrome and type Postman. Click on first link. Here we have Postman download option for multiple operating systems. You can download according to your operating system. After installation, your Postman will look like this. Click on New button, then click on Collection button to create new API collections. You can rename this collection according to your project. I am renaming it as Postman Tutorials. Click on these three dots and select Add Request from the list. So, request has been created. You have to enter API URL here in text box and select method from the list like get, post, put and many more. Let's do one live practical by calling one live simple books API. I have this dummy simple books API. You can also use this API to do some practice. I will add this link into description box. So you have to use this API URL in Postman to check its response. Copy this URL and paste it into Postman. Then click Send button. As you can see, we got response from the API. Let's get the list of books through another API. Copy this /books and paste it in front of API URL. So finally, we got the list of books from the given API. We have two types of books in the list, fiction and non-fiction. We can filter these books by using these query parameters. For example, if I want only fiction books, then we have to use this parameter to filter this books list. Let's do live example. Copy this type parameter and paste it here in key field. Same as it is, copy this fiction and paste it into value field. Now click on Send button. So guys, as you can see, the books list has been filtered. Only fiction books are in the list. Same as it is, copy non-fiction parameter and paste it into value field to get only non-fiction books from the list. The response is here. You can see the status of API, time taken by it, and size of this response. If you want to fetch only single book, then copy this link and paste it here. The path variable has been created. Just enter the book ID in value field and click send button. So finally, the single book has been fetched successfully in JSON format. You can use book ID directly into URL also. Same as it is, just enter the correct book ID number and it will give you single book detail from the list. So guys, you can also use Postman to build and test APIs like this. I will create more videos in different Postman methods. If you like this video, click like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for latest updates. Thank you.